Get your water, come on. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Trey and
Josiah.
back at it again with another burping video part 2. You ready? Alright. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time we do a video. Okay? Okay. So let's get into the big thing. Ready?
Hey. Hello. What's up? Hey guys.
What?
I can't.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please. What are you doing?
He made a real voice.
I can't.
What's up? Mama.
Oh, I got something for that.
My bad.
Oh my God. What are you doing? Wait.
Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna knock the video loose. Woo!
My.
What? What's up?
Ready? Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We will be doing a different video next week or whatever. Thank you for watching. Make sure you turn on the post notifications. And this is Cash Money Queen Kids. And this is Josiah Kimball. And we will catch you next time.
Bye.
It's the moon.